learn how to make this delicious moi moi. It was so delicious. Watch the video to the end so that you will know exactly how I made it. This is mackerel fish. I dried it in the oven. I make sure I wash it very well before drying it so that I will not be washing away the sweetness. But if you are not the one that dried it yourself, you can wash it. But I washed it before putting it in the oven. Yeah, you can also use boiled fish if that's what you prefer. You can also use fried fish, but this very one was roasted. Look at that already, very beautiful. I already deboned it. I will also be using boiled eggs. In the blender, I have beans. I'm going to blend it along with some onions, red bell pepper, and scotch bonnet pepper. Please do me a favor, watch this video to the end. It's very important, okay? So I'm blending my beans. If you have not liked this video, remember to like the video, okay? Don't forget and subscribe to my channel. This is crayfish. I will select the dead, wash it. Some people don't wash their crayfish before blending it. It's very dirty. You can wash it, okay? So add a lot of crayfish. It will make your moimoi delicious, you know. So I'll be blending the last one. I'll add the remaining crayfish, add water to help my blender. You can also watch other videos on my channel, like how to make puff puff. I have it on my channel. You can watch it, how to cook black soup or bitter leaf soup, okra soup, how to cook vegetable soup. I have so many of them. I have to wash ogbolo before blending it. You know ogbolo is very dirty. We have to wash it before blending. I have the video on my channel, how to wash your egusi seed before blending it. So I'm adding seasoning cube, you know, just mix it. Remember to share my video, okay? I hope you are enjoying watching my video. So it was too much. Yeah, I have to share it. Do you see that? So that I will be able to mix it very well. Yeah, that is all. Everything you need to know about the video is on the video. I wrote everything out, okay? If you have not liked my video before, please like my video, okay? Like this very one and help me share. Yeah, you can see the way I'm pouring the hot oil on the moimoi. Oh my god, the aroma was like that of you know when you are frying biscuit akara, everywhere was smelling nice already. So this is what I am using to wrap my moimoi. If you want to learn how to make your bags like this, I have the video on my channel, okay? Maybe I will drop the link. Just check the description box. You will see the link there, how to make this very bag for your moimoi. You have to seal it very well so that it will not leak away, or it will not burst or open. If you have container, you can use container, but they said cellophane is not healthy for moimoi, so this is what I used. Look at that. If you don't have egg, you can just use only fish. And if you don't have fish or egg, you can use only crayfish. Yeah, you can use what you have, okay? And it will still be very delicious. Have you liked my video? Please remember to like, because some people used to watch video and not remember to like. Oh, I don't know whether they used to forget. Please like this video so that you will not forget, okay? And subscribe to my channel. I hope you are enjoying watching my video. My momo was a lot. Yeah, the momo is a lot, so I cooked it twice. If you don't have this, you can just use what you have, okay? This momo was so delicious. As I'm editing this video, I feel like eating this moimoi. Look at that. Look at it. It's ready. Wow. So yummy, so delicious. What would you like to eat it with? Pap or Gary? Please share. Bye.